Hey, it's another episode again of my vlog. Here at the Wyndham. So soon we're gonna start this over here. See, look at this buffet. This buffet is gonna be starting soon. There's Samir and this is Amanda. Yeah. We're having Monday barbecue tonight. So yeah, the buffet is gonna be starting soon. And the live band's playing down that side. Okay. So please again don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and my IG, my YouTube channel. Okay. All right. Let's start now. There we go. I'll give you a tour again with the foods for tonight. So you have salad. There we go. All the sauces here. Oh, that's creamy salad, corn salad, your Caesar salad, you got crudities, see? Yeah. And this for tonight. Right here. And the soup. And this Chef Philip.
Hi.
Alright, man. Ready?
Yeah, man, we're ready now.
Right. Whole roasted chicken with Master Chef Philip
Oh, nice.
and my new chef down there. You just start like almost. How many days now you start, chef?
Like 8 days.
8 days? Okay. That's good. Welcome to the Wyndham. And
Thank you,
enjoy,
thank
okay?
Thank you.
Alright. Hey! My goodness. See, there's the roasted pork. There's a roasted crispy pork. And the live band's almost start. See the sliders. Press. Then Cajun roasted chicken. Over here. Cajun spice actually roasted wedges, potato. Potato. And then the mashed potato and then the mac and cheese is over here. Chicken tender. This is chicken tender. And this is salad. That's salad dessert. We have this here. No cry. Woo-hoo. Alright, man. All good? Alright. Anyway, you ready? Are you ready now? Okay. Hey, it's ready. Yeah, it's ready, man. Yeah. Hey, do you mind? This on my blog actually, so you're on my.
That's right.
That one, yeah.
All right.
Yeah. All right.
I don't want to be the first.
What is that? Yeah, why not?
I can be the first?
Of course, why not? It was another night again, and it's almost time to leave. It's almost time to go home. Well, it's busy tonight. Not only tonight, actually. This past few weeks, really busy, and it's good things. Good things. We're a full pack, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But tonight was it's really fun tonight. What is fun things tonight is well, everybody's almost done for dinner and the buffet, and then all of a sudden the rain start. You know, Cayman Island, you never know. Somehow it's like the weather is so nice, then all of a sudden you got this rain. But tonight there's one of them. And again, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then my IG, and then my Facebook page. All right. Hey, say hello. Have a good night. All right. Bye.